Wolfram Alpha Classic is a comprehensive computational knowledge engine application for Android that offers users the ability to obtain detailed and precise answers to a wide range of queries. Unlike traditional search engines that provide links and web pages, Wolfram Alpha processes natural language inputs, interpreting questions and delivering specific information, calculations, and data analysis directly. The app encompasses a vast array of subjects, including mathematics, science, engineering, history, statistics, and more, making it versatile for various needs. Users can perform complex calculations, create visual plots, convert units, and access curated knowledge on diverse topics. Additionally, Wolfram Alpha Classic allows for exploration of data, making it particularly valuable for students, researchers, and professionals who require quick, reliable information and solutions to real-world problems. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with its powerful computational capabilities, positions it as an essential educational and informational tool, enhancing learning and decision-making processes across disciplines. By leveraging its extensive database and advanced algorithms, users can dive deeper into inquiries and enrich their understanding of complex concepts.